This is Darius from therabbitpat.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a line graph in Google Sheets. Here I have a table with some data, and I want to use this data to create a line graph. This is what you can do. I'm going to do something that's completely optional first, and I'm just going to make this more visually appealing by converting it to a table. With that information still highlighted, to create a line graph, click on Insert, then select Chart. When you do that, Google Sheets will actually suggest a line graph for you. And it also has 3 other suggested ways of presenting that data. You can use an area chart, you can use a combo chart, you can use a column chart. But we're going to stick with the line graph. And after you have created that line graph, you can use this chart editor on the right side of the screen to customize how you want this chart to appear. So if you go to the customize part of the chart editor, you can change the chart style. For instance, you can change the background color of the chart. You can change the color of the border. You can also change how the lines appear. Maybe you want the lines to be more smooth rather than rigid. Maybe you want to maximize how the data looks, etc. You can change the titles that are used. So if you do not want the title of your chart to say sales and expenses, you can change it to something else. Maybe I don't want the dollar signs there, so I will take those off. And then once you do that, notice that it disappears over here. After you've done that, you can explore other areas of this menu to decide how you want the chart to look. And then when you're done, simply press the X and you are all set. So this video shows you how to make a line graph in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpat.com.